Hello, welcome to a new video. Some tips to control this sheet user form. Okay, please user form one command button and command button click and sheet 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 one user range font is some font size okay ഒരു okay now this okay this is font now 33 okay big font okay another command button is this command user form font color font so type font color VB red okay red. Now we are checking out this is font red okay red okay next entering column now understand this many tips here. Now a command box and form user point installation. This viewpoint installation this name added this name to added choose name okay this name ComboBox added debit credit paid Amazon this model okay and okay ComboBox some okay okay this is okay now check okay this model create and we have to add new code many options use this code okay select now user form big full controlling white and black. Now this color base come okay this is common and go to dim as I skipped some this Fourier to last number row last number how many row under this last number here okay last number now rate this ComboBox text so combo text you this text okay credit debit Amazon this ComboBox sheet A3 then A3 is a sheet this then okay this then sheet range A is this this column this is a number this number A1 A2 A3 okay this number and this comma C is a last okay C is number so choose this is a column okay then same then sheet 1 range font color VB red this is some change font color VB red now Okay, VB VB black VB black नहीं black to black. Okay, black red VB font color. Okay, font color is a copy India color black font color India color something really white. Okay, okay, this change and end this code. Okay, skipped and rate screenshot and rate this code. Okay, this is sheet selected and reset. Yeah, India color white font black the same model and him choose this ComboBox choose this change. Okay, this code this. Okay, two code only. From on this code, click this code and ComboBox one command was run. Okay, this only. Get check. Okay. Now checking debit. How to debit it? Okay. Now this is from show model false. Now we are checking order. Now test. Okay, now check the Amazon is check. Okay, Amazon. Okay, command button. Okay, Amazon. Okay, now check the Amazon. How many Amazon is check? Okay, now checking cash ready cash. Okay, cash ready cash. Okay, okay, ready cash. Okay, Muhammad Kasif Roof Halavi Samshu. Okay, now checking the phone pay. Okay, okay, now understand this is a many options. This says a study. Okay, many options you are study to. Now this option many options here. Okay, okay, many options here. Many user this is a user full. This is A1 C1 A1 C1 and A2 C2. This number. You understand? This is my last class is understand this system. Okay, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching my video.